Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this super cute and beautiful pearl beaded sari border at home. It's simple and easy to make. So for that we need some big size pearl and some golden beads. So please follow the steps very carefully. You can create this design on your favorite sari, dupatta, kurti, top, etc. This will gives you a designer look. Or in this way you can redesign your old sari or dupatta into a new look. So I hope you love my idea. If you have any queries then please comment me below and don't forget to hit the like button because it's really motivate me a lot. Also request you to subscribe this channel with bell icon that you never miss any updates. Now stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you understand the tutorial well. See you in next tutorial. Till then take care and bye bye.